Hello, welcome to my SQL Mastery and Data Analysis course. This is my new course, and I'm actually putting this up as a teaser for my upcoming course. This is going to be an extremely easy to use and easy to understand course. So, who are the target students for this? So you could be a student, like in high school or college, or you could be a graduate student or whatever. You could be a working professional, or you could be anybody, just about anybody, right? So I'm going to be teaching SQL, which is right from the basics to the advanced concepts. And and my goal is to make it so simple and so easy that anybody can learn SQL. Anybody, by anybody, I'm also including this monkey on the tree. Yeah, I know it's just trying to be humorous, but the fact is that I want my course to be so easy to understand and so crisp and clear that anybody in this world who has some basic thinking ability can follow this course. So the question now is, why should you even learn SQL, right? Now take a look at these reasons that I'm highlighting. Now every business in this world runs on data, and they are constantly creating data and consuming and analyzing data. And this data is actually stored in databases, most of the cases, right? You cannot, gone are the days when people store data in like books, with pens and papers and all. So that's the most important thing to remember, that all businesses run on data, and data is constantly being created and consumed and analyzed. So now it's very crucial to know how to work with this data in the database, and the only way to get the data out is through SQL, right? So SQL actually stands for Structured Query Language, which is pretty much common and consistent and standardized across different databases. So no matter what database you plan to use, this particular course is going to be extremely useful and handy to you. And this data that is stored in the database can be accessed and analyzed using SQLs. Now, which is now if you just take a look at this point on the screen, SQL is the most basic prerequisite for any of these analysis jobs. Whether you're a data analyst, whether you're a manager, a developer, or even building a web application, right? So if you're building a web application and there are data transactions to be handled, then you should understand how SQL works. Even if you're using some libraries and third-party applications to manipulate data. Okay, so now SQL skills also strengthen your analytical abilities. Now, because SQL is more or less like English and not very cryptic code, it's easy to understand, it's easy to learn, but it also helps you strengthen your improve your thinking abilities or analytical abilities, especially when you start working in complex queries, combining data from multiple different sources, and calculating different levels of aggregations, ranking, etc. You have to visualize the output and try to build that into your SQL code. So as I said, this SQL skills actually make you think better and improve your analytical skills. So you should also remember, I also want to tell you that this SQL is actually used by the most the lowest level in the hierarchy, the entry level staff, to the highest level, including the CXO or CIO level staff. It is one of the most universal skills that are needed in any IT industry. So one of the so with all these reasons, the biggest reason is this. Okay, not but last but not the least, there are millions of SQL related jobs. You may have heard about data science, which is extremely, which is growing rapidly these years, last couple of years and all. And people are promising millions of jobs in Python and data science and artificial intelligence and all, right? But just remember that for every Python or data science job, there are tens and twenties and dozens of other jobs which are related to SQL, because SQL is the basic ingredient for all analysis, right? Especially when you look at databases and all. So these are the reasons why you must learn SQL, regardless of whether you're a high school student, or working in an organization, a business person, or anybody. And as I said, my goal is to make sure that even monkeys can learn SQL. I just hope that I'm able to meet up to my own expectations and make my course easy to understand, easy to digest, and also clear. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my course very soon, maybe in a couple of weeks.